Hi and welcome to our overview of Tabnine, a really helpful AI coding assistant that's making waves in the developer community. You know how sometimes coding can feel like a lot of repetitive typing? That's exactly what Tabnine helps with. It's basically like having a super smart coding buddy right there in your editor. As an AI review, I've got to say, the way it learns your coding style is pretty impressive. Here's what makes Tabnine special. First, it's fantastic at suggesting what code to write next. And we're talking about whole functions, not just a few characters. It works right inside popular editors like VS Code and Visual Studio, and it's really smooth to use. The suggestions are spot on because it learns from your own coding patterns. One of the coolest things about Tabnine is how it can turn plain English into code. Just describe what you want to do, and it helps write the code for you. Plus, it's great at helping you fix bugs and make your code better. What developers are loving about Tabnine is how it speeds up their work. We're seeing reports of up to 11% faster coding times. And if you're worried about security, they've got that covered with SOC 2 compliance and strong privacy features. There are different plans available, including a free version that's perfect for trying it out. The paid versions add more features like better code completion and team collaboration tools. Want to learn more about Tabnine and see if it's right for you? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for Tabnine. Thanks for taking the time to learn about this helpful coding tool.